Well, hey there everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tim Johnson and this is Plumbing with Tim. I am a journeyman plumber of 20 plus years, located right here in Central Florida, US of A. Each and every week I put out 3 brand new shows. On Saturdays, my Plumbing with Tim show, which is generally on location, hands-on, getting dirty, and showing you how I get in there and get things done when it comes to plumbing. Every Tuesday, I release Tailgate Tuesday, which usually I'm shooting this show from the tailgate of my work van. And it's a lot of times product reviews and do's and don'ts when it comes to plumbing. And let's not forget about Thirsty Thursday. Every Thursday is a Q&A session where you, the viewer, chime in with questions and I try to field them with answers. Together we can grow a strong community. If you're a landlord, a homeowner, a renter, or even an up-and-coming plumber, this is a great series of videos that I've put together to try to help you point in the right direction on how to get things done. Maybe even save yourself a little bit of money when it comes down to it. So, I really appreciate you guys stopping through here. Make sure to share this channel and this information with friends and family. As usual, don't forget to drop down below and hit the subscribe button. Leave me comments and concerns and give me a big thumbs up. And let's do this. Let's have a great time. Don't forget to chime in every single week here on Plumbing with Tim. Y'all take care now, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.